Hi everyone, welcome back to L-Dubs Investing, where we talk about all things cryptocurrency and stocks and investing. In this video, we're going to be talking everything about cryptocurrency. We're going to be finding out what is happening in the overall markets and what is driving this price downturn. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to L-Dubs Investing. If you like this content and you want more videos on cryptocurrency and investing, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Jumping straight in, Bitcoin while watching. The metric that called the 2017 top is now flashing red. While demand for Bitcoin remains high, current profit-taking behavior suggests that the market may be the verge of turning bearish. After weeks of BTC sell-off, high net worth Bitcoin holders and whales are finally back to buying. Their buying activity not only picks up when BTC price broke out of the 2-month ascending triangle to new all-time highs, but it has also stayed intact since the price crash of April. Whales continuously buying activity comes at the time when the numbers of addresses holding more than 1,000 BTC has reached its 4th-month support line. This probably not a coincidence, as the turnaround takes place at the time when profit taking in the market is close to its support line too. Current profit taking behavior has followed a 7-month trend. The level at which profit taking takes place can be derived from the adjusted spent out ratio, aSOPR, which measures the ratio between the price sold and the price paid for a coin, while disregarding temporary coin movements within less than an hour. In other words, aSOPR measures how much profit holders were sitting on in US dollars at the time they sold their coins. Since September 2020, profit taking has consistently founded positive support at higher levels. That suggests that where the sell-offs have happened in the past 7 months, sellers have been comfortable not selling at higher profit levels each time, compared with previous sell-offs. However, this trend might eventually come to an end. Profit-taking activity suggests that market is at pivotal moment. When zooming out and looking at the profit-taking behavior in all prior bull market, it becomes apparent that this is not only a one-time or short-term trend, but rather a long-term pattern in Bitcoin bull markets. This support line trends to hold for 3 to 18 months. The chart below shows that a break of a second support line in each bull market historically confirmed that the bull market top was in. Is the top in, guys? Who knows? Not only is the aSOPR close to breaking the 7-month support line, but this is also one major difference in the last pattern of this metric that could be a cause for concern. Usually the short-term tops of the aSOPR come in at higher level each year. As the price increases further and rises, confidence leads people to hold on the high profits after each sell-off. However, in the last pattern, profits have been realized early in every sell-off wave for the past 3 months. A pattern usually common after a bull market top was already in. The pattern could be explained by a slower price increase in recent months and a higher number of short-term holders realizing profits. The assumption is confirmed by looking at the hodl waves, which visualize for how long Bitcoin is held. The redder the color, the shorter the holder period. It becomes visible that in short-term holders who have held Bitcoin for between 1 week and 3 months, who have been primarily selling into the market of late. When looking at the profit-taking behavior of short-term holders only, one could enter that the cohort of traders might almost be done selling. The latest dip below the value of 1 shows that short-term holders have now started realizing losses. In a bull market run-up, this is usually where a bottom is priced in by expected, as selling activity tends to decrease significantly. However, as bull market tops are not formed by a lack of sellers, but rather by a lack of buyers, it is highly important to also look at the trend of the current demand side. Current on-chain volume activity suggests that the capital inflow trend is still intact. A high number of coins are still changing hands, suggests that buying activity is still ongoing. The realized price, which expresses this buying activity by volume, all Bitcoin based on when it's last moved on daily basis, given a good idea of how much capital has moved in and out of BTC. A steep curve suggests high on-chain transaction volume If it is followed by a flat trend, it usually indicates the beginning of the bear market, as not even buyers are coming into the market and willing to pay higher prices anymore. As long as the steep curve does not flatten, there should be no concern about the dwindling number of buyers. Although this evidence suggests that the bull market top is likely not in yet, there is also no clear confirmation that sellers are done selling just yet. A breakout of the aSOPR 10-day moving average support line could be confirmed in the next few days. This may signal a trend shift in sellers' behavior from bullish to bearish. Therefore, a negative short to mid-term scenario should be considered in the focus here, guys. Support levels in a bearish case. There are two major price support levels to look out for. The first one is around 51,325, which could be a support level where whales most recently acquired a high volume of Bitcoin. The second price support, that is the network value to transaction ratio, which is currently at 47,679, and a major price support level in the bull market. If the market price were to fall significantly below the NFT price without a quick recovery or wick within a few days, a detailed analysis of the demand side will be needed to judge if the market's bullish structure has broken. Be careful out there, guys. Market at a critical level with a strong support between 47 and 51. The supply side suggests that sellers are currently in the driver's seat, even selling Bitcoin at a loss in the past few days. However, their selling activity is expected to significantly reduce over the next few days if current behavior stays in line with prior bull sell-offs. If that is the case, the breakdown of the aSOPR 7-month support line is likely and could signal a trend shift from bullish to bearish selling. Furthering downside should be expected with the next major support at the ranges between 47 and 51. On the demand side, the capital flow still looks healthy. Enough volume is still willing to pay current prices while whales have ramped up their buying again. Current price action is still above the NFT price, which suggests the current price fluctuations are still within the expected bullish territory. Nevertheless, the demand side should be watched closely for a potential dry up in an on-chain volume over the next few days if the price comes close to the NFT price, guys. Obviously, definitely something to look out for. We can see in the markets here, guys, that obviously the price has dropped down below those levels. Let's just hope it is a quick wick. Otherwise, please make sure you stay safe out there. Let's get on to the next one. Alrighty, jumping straight in. As you can see here, Bitcoin holding strong at 47,921. Obviously, if we fall below this 47 mark, let's just hope it is a quick wick. But obviously, guys, please be careful out there. This could be very dangerous, or it could be a very great buying opportunity. And guys, don't forget to use the links in the description if you want some free Bitcoin. Hit the Coinbase link if you want to join up to the referral program with CoinSpot and get yourself some free Bitcoin. If you're after a free stock, please don't forget to use the link in the description to stake, and I will spin the roulette wheel. See you next time.